What's going on, guys? I'm here with the XKGLOW Acura NSX, and I wanted to show you some of the features of the XKalpha kit that we've got underneath this car. So we've got the full RGB function, and this kit is actually now RGBW, to where you can take it, drag it through, and get that pure white light with the designated LED chips that are in there. You can also make it chase with the full addressable chasing system. So you could choose a left chase, and there are a ton of different chasing options within this app. You can make it bounce back and forth. All these features are all built into the app. We've got new chasing patterns that you can go in here, and now they will chase up and down the vehicle. You can customize these patterns in the app, change the color, change the chasing theme entirely, and there's just so much customization built into the app itself. We also now have advanced signal wire features to where you can program the signal wires to do different things. If I click this here, that's simulating the right turn signal coming onto the car, no matter what color the underglow is when it's on. I can also hit this. This signal wire is hooked into the dome light of the vehicle, so every time we open the doors, all the underglow underneath it will come on white, and it also has built-in brake lights to it as well. Now, if you come in here to the configuration tab, we've got different mapping features that are built into this. So we have two zones ran off the controller. Instead of having to add a new controller like you had to with our XKchrome kits, you can now come in here, add a new zone, and I can start pressing the lights in the front of the vehicle because I know those are on the front. And when I click save, this will split that into a completely different zone. So now I have 3 zones. You can actually customize up to 10 zones within one controller. That gives you a ton of different options and customization built into the kit. Along with all the new technology that we have packed into the XKalpha system, we've also upgraded all the components that the kits are made up of. So we've got 24-inch tubes, 12-inch tubes, and rock lights. These are actually all RGBW, so you can see the dedicated white LED chips alongside the RGB chips that are in all of those lights. And we've also upgraded to a 5-pin plug system that is not the easiest to pull apart, but you don't want them to pull apart. And you line up the logos, and they push right in together. Dielectric grease built into them. They've also got these tear-off tabs where you can throw in a bolt through them, a zip tie through them, or if you're running them through a hole, you can just rip them off and they will go straight through that. Alongside that, don't worry, if you have any of our XKchrome, you can still use that alongside of the XKalpha system. We've actually developed some adapters so that you can use these in the system with the XKalpha. They will plug right into your alpha harness, but they will adapt to your XKchrome lighting. XKalpha is available on the website now, so be sure to check it out.